Eggnog is a holiday staple worldwide, but have you ever wondered how to make a frozen dessert from it? Try this Jamaican Eggnog Ice Cream. It's a creamy, spiced, tropical treat perfect for any occasion. This recipe blends eggnog's festive flavors with a no-churn, easy process. Enjoy it at home. In a bowl, whip the heavy cream with a hand or stand mixer until stiff peaks are formed. In the process, stop halfway and add in your spiced nutmeg, cinnamon, and some vanilla. This step is key for creating the airy, soft texture of a no-churn ice cream. After you have whipped your cream and spices, now it's time to add in your eggnog. This recipe is linked in our website also. I will link that below with all the measurements on how to get this beautiful creamy eggnog. Gently fold the whipped cream and the eggnog base together. This may deflate the whipped cream, but that's okay. It may look a little runny, but we will get the handheld machine and whip that up again. It will still give you creamy, smooth ice cream. Add in your condensed milk to sweeten to your taste and give that a mix, and there you have it. To get back some air into this mixture, I'm just going to pop out the handheld mixer for a little bit and just give it like 2-3 minutes of whipping one more time to get a nice creamy flowy consistency. And after I'm done with that, we're just going to transfer it to a bowl. Look, that's the texture you want. Just going to transfer it to the bowl and then smooth out the top and pop it into the freezer after you've put on your lid and let that chill for about 6 to 8 hours. And there you have it, nice and creamy eggnog ice cream, Jamaican style. You'll love this recipe, and it is a crowd pleaser because first and foremost, it is easy to make and it's simple techniques that anyone can master. It's authentic Jamaican flavors in there, and it's very customizable. You can make it boozy or vegan or load it up with mix-ins. This recipe adapts to your preferences. So we thank you for joining us on this recipe. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next recipe.